Folks, all eyes are on two infrastructure stocks for heavy-duty upside potential. That's right. One thing President Biden made clear over the past 6 months, the U.S. is desperately in need to upgrade its infrastructure. That means billions of dollars over the next few years is going towards improving the bridges, roadways, pipes to help repair and upgrade the U.S. infrastructure and prepare for the next 50 years of industrial growth. Believe it or not, but close to 50% of all bridges in the USA are over 40 years old. And that tells me there's massive structural deficiencies that need repair much sooner than later. According to Morgan Stanley research team, some of the biggest beneficiaries of the infrastructure upgrade will be cement companies, with U.S. cement industries hitting close to 90% capacity at this time. And this trend is only going to increase over the next few years. With tons of money from the Fed flowing into infrastructure, I'm seeing strong accumulation in two stocks that make cement. Don't go searching for the next Amazon. Cement, keep it simple. Infrastructure, billions and billions of dollars in it. Basic materials are a good bet against inflation too, and there's a good chance that we'll see strong upside over the next quarter and possibly sooner, especially if the economy continues to heat up. And that's why today I've got a couple of low-hanging fruits that I believe will continue to rise and see strong upside potential in the near term. Now, what's really cool about these two stocks is the fact that they're both recovering from a short-term pullback and are right now crossing the 50-day line to the upside once again, which typically leads to a good run-up to the upside and a healthy or stable risk to reward from a technical perspective. First company, Cemex, SAB, ticker symbol CX. Cemex is one of the world's largest cement companies in the world, with close to 78 million metric tons of production capacity. Through operating subsidiaries in 4 continents, they're engaged in the production, distribution, marketing, and sales of cement and ready-made concrete. 1-year return for the company, 168%. Not bad for a cement company. Earnings per share growth versus previous quarter, 600%. There's currently 6 strong buy recommendations, and I'm liking the current technical action as I've mentioned previously. I believe we'll see price pop to the $11 level over the next quarter, especially if the trend in basic materials and industrial stocks resumes once again, which is very likely considering the trading action we've been seeing. Next stock on my hit list, Eagle Materials, ticker symbol EXP, that's EXP. Eagle Materials manufactures, distributes cement and concrete aggregates, gypsum wallboards, recycled paperboards, oil and gas proppants from more than 75 facilities in the USA. They're a big business. 1-year return, 76%. Earnings per share growth versus previous quarter, 21% upside. 4 quarters of back-to-back positive earnings estimates and surprises, and a price target of $165 per share over the next quarter conservatively, assuming momentum levels in basic materials and industrial stocks persist for the second half of 2021, which is very, very likely, especially with tech and ultra-large cap FANG stocks starting to cool off a bit. I hope that helps. Folks, I just pulled back the curtain on a handful of small cap stocks that are poised for massive breakouts. You see, trillions of dollars are now being poured into the once overlooked small cap sector. And if investors can identify exactly where the money's about to flow next, they can collect major windfalls on those stocks as they rise. In a matter of just a week, I signaled 118% on PFSI, 153% on DDD, and 414% on CNE. And this is just the start of gains like these, because finding these microbursts happen to be my specialty. All you've got to do is click on the link below to find out how everyday traders like you are getting in on the next one. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. You've got to stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when I post my next video for you.